Hello brilliant minds. Now we are to solve 2 raised to the power of x plus square root of 2 raised to the power of 2x equals to 32. Now this question looks as if it's hard. No. All you just need to do is work on this. I'm going to be making use of this exponential rule. The n root of x equals to x raised to the power of 1 over n. Okay, so that is what we need to use for this. So we have 2 raised to the power of x plus 2 raised to the power of 2x raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, for square root, we have 2 here and even 2, okay, equals to 32. Now we have 2 raised to the power of x plus, now this we cancel this. So we have 2 raised to the power of x, equals to 32. Okay, so now you add this and this together, we have 2 raised to the power of x equals to 32. So you can divide both sides by 2. So when you do that, you have 2 raised to the power of x equals to 32 over 2. And that gives you 2 raised to the power of x equals to 16. Now you can express 16 in index form. That is 2 raised to the power of 4. So since we have same base, so we have x equals to 4. That is the answer to the problem. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.